the side party.
Welcome to the biggest mistake I made so far as a dad, willingly taking my daughters to go play in slime. At first, just like them, I was loving it, and then my daughter wanted to start collecting. She decided she wasn't leaving this place without all the slime she could carry. So here I am, comfortably carrying around slime balls. Then it starts sticking to my shoe, and I realized I might have made a mistake. Now, my kids are having their time in their life, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you, 10 out of 10 for kids. They will love it. They will enjoy it. But as parents, you have to know this cannot come home with you. See, I made her give it up. But then I come to find out, oh, that's my Barbie. Yes, that's a Barbie. It's not an alien, and it's not Marge Simpson. Now, you have to realize this slime is able to come home with you. You can pick your texture, your smell, and your color. But what you can't pick is it off your clothes. It was on our shoes, in their hair, on their shirts. I promise you the slime in that bag will never see the light of day.